Hi guys. Okay, so yeah, I'm getting some work done today. I'm in the car at the park with the kid. But anywho, so this video is a beautiful vibrant African print ankara that I did a bonnet for. I'm excited to share. It's basically the same steps that I do with any other pattern. I think what I've noticed with the ankaras, I think it's better to do um the the elastics to, I think I want to say like an inch shorter than what you would normally do. So say for instance your head is like a 23 inch. um you normally cut about a 20-inch piece of elastic. So overlapping it, I would make it shorter. I would make it probably, I would stitch about an inch and a half of it. So essentially making it about 18.5 inches, 18 and a half. I'm saying it because even when you're using like the satins, they seem like they have a little bit more give and stretch. The Ankaras really don't. The cottons are, pretty sturdy and pretty, straight. So anyway, so yeah, with this one, if you do cut it at 20 inches, I would definitely do my overlap stitch at about an inch and a half for the stiff fabrics, because what I noticed, the elasticity of it is a little bit different on the head, so it makes it a little bit more secure when you do the elastic tighter. But anyway, other than that, let's get into this video. Let me shut up and stop rambling. All right, guys, see you guys next time. Peace. Okay, we started by uh, using our pattern, of course, leaving about an inch seam allowance. Um, to measure out my elastic, I have a 20-inch elastic. And this is just a video of how I did my corresponding threads for different ones. But anyway, for this one, I think I used red. Yeah, I did use red for this one. So anyway, we're going to go to the machine and we're going to back stitch. And we're going to go around the entire perimeter of the bonnet. We're going to leave about 1 to 2 inches of that open. And you just sew about 1/4 the inch away from the end of it. Going to carefully cut a few snips around the circle. That way when we fold it inside out, it can give us a better seam. Now you can press it down with your iron, Cricut machine, whatever it is you have after this step. But if not, you can go ahead and use some clips or some pins to secure the outer perimeter. Now for this one, I use one of my zigzag stitches on my machine. I back stitch and then I go around the outer perimeter, and I also make sure I leave that um, same opening from the beginning as I go around it, and then I go and do the same thing and add another stitch. Now that one I really don't have to really worry about leaving it open, but I do leave about 3/4 to an inch between the two zigzag stitches that I create. Now depending on the size of the elastic that you want to put on the inside of it, it all varies on how wide your your space will be between the two zigzags. But anyway, I normally use my elastic. I took one pin on one end and put it in and shimmy it around. I always make sure I secure it first. That way I can go ahead and zigzag stitch the elastic. Then I have to go in and close the zigzag opening that I had. And that's just one line. And then my last final touch would be folding the outside inward and doing a little straight stitch for that. But this is how it came out, and I hope you guys like it.